Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So originally the intro of this was made yesterday along with the video, but my energy, everything was like very off yesterday. So I just want to say right now, I'm so sorry for that. I was having a little bit of a rough day, a long day for me, so just for the rest of the video, just kind of ignore that. So now I'm over here looking crusted and busted right now to make this intro. But basically in this video I am going to be transforming myself from like how I look right now basically to looking better with makeup and just feeling better. At the end of the video I was feeling a lot better than I was in the beginning. I think it's important for us to take some time and make ourselves look beautiful and feel beautiful every once in a while. So that's kind of what I did in this video, and also the look that I did was kind of inspired by a sunset. I'm gonna put a photo. I went to watch the sunset the other day and it was so beautiful and it made me happy. So I was just like halfway through I was like, I'm gonna turn this into a sunset type of look, like inspired by it. At first that wasn't what it was, but this look is so beautiful and honestly I'm very happy with the way it came out. So if you guys want to see me go from basically what I look like right now to looking a lot better with makeup, and I also curled my hair and put on a little bit of jewelry to make myself feel a little bit better, then please keep watching.
Witness the greatness. Ready to witness the greatness.
I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time, I have to learn to hide. One thing at a time, emotions running high. I wish you felt alright, just hitting my line all the time, all the time. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. You stay on my mind all the time, all the time. Ooh, it takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't lose finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind. You and your sister, too hard to handle. Things will get canceled. I won't make time for you. Commitment, going the distance. I'm new to all of this. It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind. You stay on my mind. Stay on my mind. Yeah. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. You stay. You stay on. Baby, you stay. On my mind, stay on my mind. On my mind, stay on my mind. You stay. On my mind, stay on my mind. good girl, do what they tell me. Block you from my phone and but what you owe me. Such a sad boy, loving you a service. Slipped on your surface and you gave me purpose, making you feel worth it. I asked for diamonds, you brought sativa. I never figured the difference between them. I was no better. If all you wanna take flight.
Alrighty, so the makeup is done. I think I'm happy where it is. My cheeks are a little bit like weird just because I had like some weird ashy skin. But what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to go ahead and curl my hair. You guys are gonna join me on curling my hair. So my little wand curler thing is from Ross or TJ Maxx. It's doesn't have a name on it. It's alright. I mean, I don't really do my hair that much, so I can't really say, oh, this is the best curler I've had, because I think that this is probably one of the only ones I've ever had. And yeah, I just felt like doing my hair, looking pretty, you know. Alright, so I'm gonna go plug it in now and wait for it to get hot. Hello. So while I'm waiting for that to get hot, I'm going to put in my heat protector. Now I know you might be thinking, you just said that you don't do your hair often. I don't. I just like to use this whenever I go outside and I know I'm going to be outside for a long time, because this Sunbum one has UV protection, and I don't know. I just think it's nice to protect your hair from the sun as well as like heat damage. I'm very much into like the health of my hair. I want my hair to always be very healthy and shiny, so I'm a little bit weird. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply some. It has like oil and like liquid that you shake and you mix it together. And it smells amazing. I use the Sunbum shampoo and conditioner, and it is my favorite, especially for summer. If you are at the beach a lot or the pool a lot, I just like it. And it has SPF like for your hair as well and your scalp. So, because you can burn your scalp. It's pretty crazy, but you can. So I think that this is hot enough now. I'm just gonna do like little curls throughout the hair. And now my hair does look a little bit bluish green. That's because I use like this really intense toner. So just ignore that. I don't really have a way of doing my hair. I'm just kind of gonna grab sections. My hair kind of curls already. If you guys can see my hair. This is like just how my hair looks. This is the piece that I curled, and then like that's kind of just my hair. It curls like that for some reason, so I don't like this green color on my hair that I have right now, but it's okay. My hair was looking super orange, like I'm talking about like orange, so I had to do something about it. Like this piece is still pretty orange down here. Like my whole head was like that. Too much. Okay, so I think that is all I'm gonna do for the curls. Alright, so that's kind of just like my hair curled a little. These are gonna like fall down and look a little bit more natural. But I think I'm just gonna leave these two sections out and maybe just do a little something. I think I'm gonna leave these two pieces out in the front like I do, and then put this kind of up in a ponytail just so we can have those curls showing still. I think that's cute, like a messy ponytail. So I'm going to put my hair tie in there. And I'm going to pull out these front pieces. I'm gonna go put some jewelry on. Alrighty, so I just put on some jewelry. These earrings right here, the first one's in, are from Forever 21. They just have like little diamonds on them. I actually love these earrings so much. And then I have my little sterling silver ones from Amazon. I have this necklace right here, which my friend gave to me when she asked me to be one of her bridesmaids. She gave it to all of us. I'm obsessed. And then I put on this little ring from Target. It's so cute. And then my Swarovski tennis bracelet that I'm always in love with. And now I feel like I'm about to go out somewhere, which I am not. So that's fun. I guess the only other thing I would do is like remove this nail polish because it's looking extra crusty. But I'm not willing to repaint them anytime soon, so we're gonna leave them as is. So this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and always remember to take some time for yourself to make yourself feel beautiful or happier, whether that's doing makeup or going out and working out, running around outside, whatever it is that makes you feel happy and sane. Don't forget to do that, especially in times like this. So I will see you guys on Sunday.